girl Charming Chele, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a wig transformation on Sensational Catherine. I cut her into a bob, and I've had this wig for about 4 or 5 years, and I just recently cut her. But today I just want to show y'all how to do a water wave by braiding the hair and boiling it. So before we get into the video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I haven't wore this wig since last February 2020, and I flipped the ends. So I decided before I wash the wig that I need to straighten the wig back out so that it won't affect my braids. So that's what I'm just showing y'all that I'm doing. Yeah, I didn't want to start it on like super old hair. So I'm going to revive it before I mess it up again. So here I'm just showing you guys that I'm washing the hair with conditioning shampoo, and I'm just making sure I get all the product from the last style out of the hair. And then the next thing I'm going to do after I get done washing is I'm going to do my revival routine, which I have a video on my channel on how to do. If you're an OG subscriber, you already know that I'm going to soak my wig in shampoo and fabric softener to bring it back to life. This is really how you bring all synthetic wigs back to life, which you guys will see a few clips from now. So I'm going to take the fabric softener, pour some in the cap, and let my wig sit in the shampoo and fabric softener for at least 30 minutes. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of movement in the hair, and it looks like it just came straight out of the pack, brand new. So next, we're going to get into the actual routine. I'm going to take some spritz. You will need spritz for this, okay? So I'm going to part the hair, and I'm going to spray spritz all down this piece. Maybe this must be technical difficulties. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to comb the hair. Oh my goodness, girl. I'm finally taking the spritz, and I'm going to spray it all down the hair. And I'm going to comb the spritz in to make sure everything is coated. And then next, I'm going to braid this piece. And that's it. So if you have like, I don't know, any type of spritz will work. I think that one was Motions, but I'm pretty sure like if you have the Got To Be spray, that'll work too since it has like a hold. But yeah, anything will work for this. Just be sure not to spray like too much. Like don't drench your hair in it because this will make your synthetic hair stiff. But I just use it so that it will hold that wave pattern. So I'm just showing y'all how I braid it all the way down to the end. It's pretty simple, really. This is my first time doing this on a short wig though. I usually do this like on my old straight synthetic wigs, but I really wanted to make this one wavy again, so I just decided to do it on this one. So I'm going to braid all the way down to the end, and then I'm going to braid the rest of the hair, and I'll come back after I get done braiding it. Okay, so next I'm going to put rubber bands at the ends of all the braids. This is just to make sure that, I don't know how to explain it, just to make sure that the braid stays braided when you boil it. And I need to figure out a better way to make sure the braid stays in, because when you do this, you do have a risk of having like straight pieces at the end of your waves or curls. So it's kind of annoying, which at the end you guys will see you can't really tell the straight pieces, but I know like some people might not like that look of like a jagged curl and then a straight piece, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I'm just putting the rubber bands through all the ends, like I said, so we can get ready to boil her. And we're only going to boil her for a minute, by the way. We're not going to boil her for a long time. So as you guys can see, I'm dipping the wig in the boiled water, and I'm just going to hold that for a minute. And after I boil her, I just put her on my wig stand to let her dry. I have ponytails holding the braids together because I want to keep them as straight as possible, because once you boil a synthetic wig, it like shrinks up, as you can tell. So this is the very next day. Just putting her on my head, and I'm going to take down the braids. I also want to say real quickly, when you boil your synthetic wig, make sure you don't boil your lace, because your wig will shrink and it will not fit your head anymore. That has happened to me with this wig actually when I first boiled it like 2 years ago, and yeah, it barely fits my head now. It's just like super tight. But anyways, just quickly taking down all of the braids. It really doesn't matter how you take them down. They won't frizz up until you brush them. So I'm going to take my hands and finger comb the hair first. And I didn't really like it finger combed, so I decided to brush it, which made it bigger. So remember, anytime you brush curly hair, you're going to make the hair bigger. So here, I'm just going to show y'all a quick little cute style. So I'm putting oh my gosh, putting the hair behind my ear with bobby pins. I feel like this would be a cute summer style. So I'm bobby pinning it. I'm going to take another bobby pin and cross them so it'll hold behind my ears. I thought that was going to be cute, and I was like, no. And this would be really cute to do with like a wig that doesn't come ear to ear. Just make sure you swoop it behind your ear so it looks like it's covering up like your edges or whatever's showing that's not the wig. So that's one style. Next, I think I'm going to do like a swoop, a behind the ear swoop. I love this style. If I could, I would swoop like literally every wig that I have. I'm glad we brought that trend back. So I'm putting the wig behind my ear again. Oh, another trick too, if your wig doesn't go ear to ear, just pull out a piece close to your ear and it'll make it seem like that's your sideburns, and it'll cover up your actual sideburns. That's another quick little trick too, but I only did it on one side. But y'all will see when I do the next style, which will be a ponytail. But like here, you could tell on the right side that I have that piece sticking out. So on the left side, I'm going to do the same thing so that I can cover up more of my hair and that it'll look more, I guess, natural, if you want to say. So I'll pull a piece out. and bobby pin the swoop. And we're going to take the hair and pull it back into a ponytail. Make sure our fake sideburns are covering up our actual hairline. And that's it. So that's all the styles I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is another voiceover. Don't worry, I'm not going to be doing voiceovers for the rest of the year. I just decided to do it now because y'all know I be stuttering. But anyways, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to have you be a part of the Charmed family, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.